push. Oh,
Hey.
We finally got Emily back from the hands of the Gazan terrorists. She's lost a lot of weight from her face and body, but generally doing better than we expected.
Oh, there she is.
Yeah.
Musician.
Yeah, she could read music already because of learning the piano, so she wanted to move on to the guitar. For a parent to hear that their child's dead and you're relieved. I knew she wasn't in Gaza. I knew she wasn't terrified out of her life.
She must be saying every day, "Where's my daddy? Where's my daddy? Why isn't he coming to save me?"